Up for sale, 1977 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 77 Corvette, finished in white with blue interior. 350 L48, numbers matching, automatic transmission, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's a factory AC car, T-tops, power windows, and more. As always, go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we will start here in the front. And I gotta say, this is just a real nice car. You don't see too many of these with nice quality paint, all new interior, unmolested drivetrain, stuff like that. Again, the paint quality, very high. Of course, there are some blemishes, you know, from driving it and enjoying it. For example, like, you know, a couple little marks right there. But the headlight doors, look at that. That fitment is super nice on both sides. And actually this nose piece, you see that? Seems to line up very nice all the way down. It's got the little blue stripe down it. I like when they do that. The tires are new. You can still actually make out the blue. This is water on the ground. That's not from the car. The blue over the tires from when they're new, of course. And I like the wheels it has, factory correct, of course. So let's show you the hood fitment here. This all lines up super nice as well. And there's really not too many blemishes on it. The previous owner, for whatever reason, did put L48 badges on it, even though it's a 48 car. I know that the windshield was replaced. I like when they do that rather than having, you know, maybe stone chips or cracks, stuff like that. This piece of glass is original, and it's, of course, nice glass. I know the other side was replaced, which is, again, a good thing. Let's pop the hood here. I'll show you the interior, if you can make that out. This winter sun is terrible for pictures and videos, but the door panels on both sides are new. Seat covers were redone, new carpet. I don't think the dash is new, but it's like primo original. Steering wheel looks like it was restored, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that one thing at a time. You see there all the T-top inserts, dome light, new visors, new rear view mirror. Anyway. The only thing I wish is that the engine bay was correct, but it could be a lot worse looking than this. It still has the shielding in place, which I like, but it's been upgraded to the aluminum intake, and it has like a fresh carburetor on there. I made sure to take a picture of that. Again, power brakes, master cylinder for the power four-wheel disc brakes. You see the air there. Now, I'm not entirely sure if the air works. I'm gonna, of course, continue testing it, making sure it might hold a charge. And I'll update that in the listing description, you know, when I post it for sale, of course, so that that's accurate. Power steering as well. And it was a cruise car. Again, not sure if that works. That's not too important. But it's nice. It's clean in here. Like over there. Well, of course, I'll go to that side and show you. Like the wiper mechanism, stuff like that. Still has the hood insulation in here. I always like that. See the vacuum canisters. Because when I bought it, the gentleman said it wasn't working. Now, of course, you know, a mechanic can get it fixed, so that's why we're looking at it. Maybe a bonus if it did, of course. Let me fire it up now. It is freezing cold, so I made sure to get it to a good running temperature so I could get out and let you guys hear it run, of course. It shows 63.5 rounds, which I was told is original. Now, there is an oil change sticker in there from 86 with 31,000 miles. Granted, that is 39 years ago. That doesn't mean anything. Let me get the key for this. Okay, what's the key? There we go. Key buzzer works. I know the fasten seatbelt light, well, of course it's going to turn on now, but when I'm sitting in here and it's running, yeah, it's going to keep itself running. Good. Oil pressure, the temperature gauge is still, that's how cold it is. Gas gauge, volt gauge, tach works, speedo works. You can see this, even like the horn button was redone. I like that. Super smooth. Very smooth. That was me going like this, by the way. Shut this guy off. Both windows go up and down as they should. You got to put the little thing down to turn the key into position. Pull it off. Okay. So let's we'll put the hood down. And then we will go down the driver's side of the car. Couple little nicks right there and a little baby mark right there. Rims are in nice condition as well. I do really like seeing these rims. I know that this is correct or the rallies are correct, but I feel like later in the C3s, I do appreciate seeing those wheels. Couple little marks right there. But the door you see here lines up nice. I always look where this body contour is to make sure that lines up and lines up down there. Let's see what this little black thing is. That's something on the paint. That should come off. Trying to see what else here. Nice lower body molding as well. And then that door lines up very nicely to the quarter. And I'll get a close up here on the windshield, just so you guys see it. Close up on the T-tops as well. You can see how nice that came off. How nice there's a little mark right there actually. How nice that fitment is. And a little close up on the glass. Some water spots on it, I'm sorry. This looks like it's new as well. Let's see, let's check the door edge out. We're going up. Some touch-ups right here and there. And then you check this door out. This is original paint in here. Original tag. There's that oil change sticker I'm talking about. 31, 521, and 86. There's your door panel. It's new. Your trim tag is here. I do believe it was white with the blue interior from the factory. These are new, which I appreciate seeing. And I'm realizing I didn't put the seat belts in position. Oh wait, no, they are. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm an idiot. Seat belts. Nice in here. I'll show you the back. Carpet in the back is all very nice. You got the T-top sleeves as well. I said the carpet was redone. It's got actually matching Corvette floor mats, which I like seeing. And again, I know you've seen this a couple times now. But the gauge cluster in the middle is nice. Console's nice. Your power window switches. This back here is nice. A little hard to see. Oh, you can shut the camera. No cracks in the dash, actually. This is very nice. I took a picture of the visors just because they were, so nice as well. Probably new. And then all these T-top inserts, that's what I refer to them. They look sweet, and it's got the working dome light as well. And again, seat covers were redone. Look really nice, actually. And yeah, that's about it. Here's your cruise. I mean, I guess I could try it and see if it works. I highly doubt it. Turbo 350 transmission specifically. The frame, it's all original, very nice, no rot. The end caps are rust free. I did take pictures of those. If I have enough room to post the pictures, I will. Just see, there's a little mark right there. Just feel not really too much going on down there, which is good. And then this lines up nicely as well. It does have the luggage rack. Oh, I forgot to mention it. I always see this commonly on these C3s. When they don't take the time to mask these and paint them black how they should, they just shoot them white or they shoot them orange like the one I sold, or blue like the one I sold. So I like that attention to detail. I do appreciate that as well. But the quality of the luggage rack, I mean, this is nice. There's no pitting on here. It's got all the little rubber ends, or the grommets. Show you this. Makes it a little hard to show the back deck, but do the best that I can. I even think this rear window was redone. It just looks so nice. There's not a mark on it. And then back here, let me just do this. Little mark, maybe I got dirt on my fingers every time I lick it to see if it comes off. It puts dirt on, but right there, a little mark. No checking on the nose, no checking on the rear section here, which is good to see. Just sit on the curb here. It lines up nice as well. It pretty much matches the other side. Came off. Yep. About this guy here, that came off as well. I'm doing a terrible job at cleaning the car today. I'm sorry. Little guy right there. A couple little small guys right there. Very, very small. Little nick at the top of the door, but again, look how nice that door fitment is. And there are, other than that one, no marks on this door edge. Let's take a seat here and look. It's a little touch up there, and then right here, I did see this when it was on the lift. Can you even make it out? Yeah, a couple little checks just in this little area, and then right here. But that's the only spot I've seen that happen. Oh, this is the new piece of glass on this side. You can see right there. Another new door panel. New again. Let's back out so you can see it all. Seats look great in this. This is definitely one of the nicer. Oh, right here I see a couple little marks. I didn't see that until now. Definitely one of the nicer late 70s C3s I've had. It's got a 77 manual as well, which I did take a picture of. Not that important, but just nice to have. See, there's that marking for the windshield. See again, lines up nice here, all the way down. See a little, 3 little scuffs right there. Do you make that out? You don't even make that out in the camera. How close do I have to get to show you? You don't even see it. Do you? No, too like the faintest little things. I'm so picky. And then I know right here, just a little, again, there you go, you can see those, a couple little marks and then a couple little right there. But that's it. We're gonna fire it up, drive it, get in for the driving, and show you the headlight doors work as well. And yeah, this is what I was referring to again, the black in the front. I like that attention to detail. And here we go. Okay, language again.
Okay.
I know, but I understand. I get mad too. And I don't know what this guy's doing.